Okay, let's go over my life as a patent attorney. So I've been doing this almost 25 years now, and I I still really enjoy it. It's a good life. I have worked in house. I've been a partner in a larger law firm, and I've been a solo practitioner. Between those three, I enjoy being a solo practitioner much better. I have complete control over my schedule. I can take time off when I want to take time off. I'm a drone flyer in my free time, and so when the Iceland volcano starts erupting, I take off for 4 or 5 days, go over there and fly my little drone over the volcano and stuff like that. So it gives me really good flexibility. When you're beginning, the major problem that I see a lot of young attorneys do is they're desperate for money. They've got law school loans to pay off. They're upside down on everything. And my advice to them is try to pick one thing and be really good at it. Don't try to do 15 different types of law. If you need extra money, get a night job working at Home Depot or something like that. Because when you're first starting out, you probably know next to nothing about the actual practice of law. And so if you go out there and you start doing everything from admiralty law to zoology law, you're probably going to screw up. And then you got another problem on top of your head. So my advice is, first of all, if you can, try to save up some money to keep yourself going. It's kind of like any other investment. The person who loses every business negotiation is the one who needs it to happen. The one who wins is the one who can afford to walk away. So, if you've got $100,000 in the bank when you start your law practice, well, that crazy client that you know is going to be trouble, they walk in the door, you can just say, hey, later days, man, I don't want to take your case. Sorry. So my day, let me just show you around my office here. That might give you sort of an idea of what my life is like. Let's see. All right. So I have 3 monitors. I can't live without 3 monitors. I have a bunch of patents on the wall. Let's see if I can walk around here. I have the degrees right behind my desk, so people hopefully think I'm smart and give me their business. We've got a bunch of patents on the wall. This is my biggest client. This is Wheel Pros. They make, as the name implies, wheels. Some of my drone photography, more of my drone photography. That's actually me in Svalbard. This is a picture I took of a volcano. Then we walk into Dina's office. Dina is my personal assistant secretary. She comes in here 3 days a week. More of my drone photography, a few cool things that I've patented. This is the Super Freak by O'Neill. This is something I did for Wheel Pros. There's a couple of surfboard manufacturers, Steve Walden, Cross Armory. Coffee machine. Coffee machine is really extremely important. This is my own patent on a drone propeller, an award I won in some Chinese drone contest. My son's patent on a drone tie clip. More drone photography. Surfboard Tyler gave me. The slide handboards. This is a rattlesnake mug that I patented for some guy that ended up on the Craig Ferguson show. This is Birdwell, just some other little trinkets, things that I've patented. Sometimes you get pretty cool stuff from your inventors once you patented something. This is for a skateboard truck with single pin pivot reversible blah blah blah, improving a reuser shredding capability. I snuck that in, the examiner didn't catch it. So anyway, the official title of this is It's Good for Shredding. Anyway, Mullet on the Go, another one of my clients. Little art.